Hi, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off voice chat in Valorant. Now, we have to be in-game to be able to turn off our voice chat, so from here, press the escape button on your keyboard. The in-game settings should pop up. Then go to audio from here, and then select voice chat. You can play around the settings here, example for your output device, input device, and also you can adjust the volume for your incoming and for the mic as well, even the sensitivity threshold. Now, what we really need would be down here for party voice chat and team voice chat. Now you can edit from here, you can turn them on or off depending on your preferences, as well as change the party voice activation mode to push to talk or automatic. Now for team voice chat, you can either on or off from here. Party is only for the people in your party, the people you invited, and the team is for your whole team once you are in game. And that's it. That's how you turn off voice chat in Valorant. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.